Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suspicious Challenger here. Here are various colors of candles. These small candles make fire in various colors. Let's take a look at this first. Turn on the lighter, light the candle. Oh, the color of the fire is red. Very vivid red. So I will set up all the candles on the pedestal. Turn off the lights in the room. Fire all the candles. Fire. 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 Nice. Colorful. Beautiful. Turn on the light. Very nice. There are blue, green, red, yellow, and even violet. Isn't it strange that the colors of the flames are all different? In fact, various metallic materials are in these candles. They make a variety of colors. The colorful firecrackers used in fireworks are also based on the same principle. Thanks for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe. See you!